Abusia smart Ghana update so we news updates. Ora abronye DC wono ene bono regional chairman wakasa e de afa ora okujetu abrakwa wono ene ye mrahye bedwani girema NDC amanyoko e wo North Town na nsene nsemo e ba ye concerning vetting committee afi ebe echi ode betu udwa ese wontimi ne omonye adwuma bi wa resign e de afi sa appointment committee no emuno no na abronye DC akasa e de afa ho no wo chese say kase consensus ni e kire say e agreement entiase a akọ ewo nipa dodo munyina matena se entiase a munyina makọ na se munyina makọ entiase mu agreement na se mapene so ama papa eye kenoforiata position na wi a e di enti no sa fa akire ba abonten e be no se de course nani enye ho e no se no krompo ni vis wani nye ho a wo ho kwan e se wo so chiro krata e de koma wo mo se da bi say na munyina mo agree e betime so de mi uni se nke ni se ya enkebegua ni nyina no wanye eno ne say what the resignation letter e de aba eno nti wodo de papa okujeto abrakwa eye no wone no enko benkurumu yenko ni nkoti abronye di simrai ba yebedi nkomo
yaka now okujeto say on principle minia the word said the Eric so kan say na say ko okon me hu principle kura ohun ye the word tio
you know one personal principle until
you are a member of the meaning says how can letter now something happened at the appointment committee I probably not clear no or say I have resigned as a member of the vetting committee. Yes, I know kind correct appointment committee if you are a member of the vetting or the appointment committee you take a decision you can write your personal opinion as a member of the committee and obedience ukwan. So at the time, if BBB kwaswo whether it's about nomination A or B, and I won't know could you to no won't fuaswa, you can write and sign say more dear more members no more dear to my could you to abrakwan them in fuaso. But what nothing is a minority leader and majority leader, you should the word consensus. Mean who can who be and a better consensus. Until some letter no the abano. It's just to please and crofo so or could you to the buy and what can no buy a tibrofu? Brofu no could I yet brofu chile brofu. Jerry I have letter.
I was your number bronye DC and I yet saying canon. Jack.
Well,
thank God it's Friday.
Thank God for your life too.
Messi. Oh, what kind of yawo?
Matia nkano ndi ento aso.
Matia. Abroye DC akasa.
Me angasa no asem we no menyim di nti ese ko fa asem kese bia ba. So ati ase. Na approval of papa Kenoforiata. I don't know the reason why I should call Bruhaha. And I say approval of certain persons and a certain dignitaries or this appointment committees in sense of me. I don't know the reason why I say Ghana. This is not what we need.
Sir.
Yes.
So Ghana for be no and NDC for be nature say. Oh my appointed woman no. NDC for Nigeria to move. What man so any.
A dear name more man so any. A dear never might be our back so much man so any. Say more approve be no munja be all because of a NDC baby and assassin. You see. Yabeka asem no ho yabeka asem no yabeka de ye kan ho asem but mentiase de ekoso no yangasa mentiase as a nation because of mafia bi say the be wini 2024 yenyisi sa no ma na ekoso na ngasa in general no I don't understand.
You can't think far.
I don't think far. So what just say nonetheless ye ohana ye papa kosi prat kra kan say this if one be person mo pene
Uraken so.
Uraken of Riata. Na oba said the bear and Juma enkoyi enti. We mo NDC for I had. Yeah, papa gossip prat cracker say it is stupid. Say obe dreams because even Ken of Riata nyade and I open so omra and to me say o mine on that me phone the onye no mo.
Okay.
Nonetheless, yin na enim ne akoso in the regime of Nana Akufo-Addo. Ye Corona sense no na financially ye di blame nti ye share them see how the performance of Kenoforiata is here and can pese be ye fan as ye approve na either it will affect Ghana or not ye nche da enhu gi say be a Corona akofo mi na 4 years ye ba be rating
Best obi so beka say oye adwuma from 2017 to 2020.
Yes, but one say we're recalling from 2017 to 2020. Then you say the asama omo kan say omo de hihye no mani ade a to say na nka ye bitimi a rating no 2020 by her hammer corona na course na this year trust ni asese ni yi.
Okay.
Eno kra ena nchen approve akofa asem nyina aba no. Aha, said the na abronya ken in a consensus general agreement. That means when you know what na ase. Na makobe. The matikura me read from Ghana web crash say papa okujetu say na nke say on consult other members. Na so man consult na me dey me read yes say there one consult other members na omo appointment committee na mu ye den.
That's a close doors be.
So what you say as mo kwa na my ade any no nsem bebre ya na nke say koso within the NDC party no. And so an koso ana as a mo put blames on we ni to hwa no be go yentine say what na nche the toso mienu so writing the letters or writing comma speaker of parliament, which is one way or the other na abronye kan na eto sin kakra when it's only a party for asema you don't have to write to the speaker of parliament. Nonetheless, is an appointment committee of very for ministers near day. That means ministers no mobile parliament. So what I say, that means if mobile parliament they are the speaker of parliament no or no I say ebia BBN a catcher no. But I shouldn't be quite straight to the speaker of parliament, sir. Almost say this. Yes, a honokra no kakra. Na case or tonobo it was too straightforward. So what I say, on the other hand no, we share said the diversity one way no media na mimi hu say esa na o critic dent kakra o ne yim ne na manyo sem because
e kwa me so
asem no say one fancy pop na afi have trans wo free mu a na obi enhu di ntia wo free mu na details bi a ma esa na yenti wase so aja say enti wase nti eno mebu a esa nko odisi pop na ewura the right channels and sakura na even na sakura na ba media
won chire mu yensi
ansa na media na be ebru ha kra o media no so aja say ti one no so say another point and say me so na ha me pa say ekoba say because we appointment committee in much I think 3 regimes 6th 7th and 8th republic nyina no o ka ho so aja say nti ha dwen kakra
okay nti na abronye ka bibia na o che se ese we say na wo ye no wo ye de a chire nipa bi like wo de chire nipa bi say o me de e bia memfo abone so na me de say na me tie e ho no ne ya adwen sa
no de untimi hu say bia o me de ono ye bibia there is a secret thing utim say wo ho so on for abone so ni say na that means o approve can for you at na nko qualify no mo approve ya na so on dem me patch no na yes na go qualify na nkofo bi gigi demudie bi obaabia
na because sa na manfo bi ka say we approve oru aka na we na say honom na ono so say won ya adwuma ni biam dia that means
that is bibia ya den akoso so on dem me patch no enti it's not about info abone so what went on, what went wrong and na easy hu wo me akasa me redia me hu adipoti or resign yeah, but it was following kind of reata approval yeah na ma or resign yeah. What is the problem?
Okay,
so what is if you read so many sites, so many I can't say authentic sites behind me improve say this is the main reason why I resign yeah. So what I say that is what is my problem to him as a Emma media kakra because a prominent person and he has been in parliament for some while making impact. So what I say enti then papa ne bone na opese o kire ne de hu
enti ne kabe ya o mechire mu ye
sa na tie
na woni se ne wa ye betimi nye nso so NDC party no so
NDC party na nkasa no se no 2024 e mungamu year because MPP mo na do kwa edu hoda affair NDC so omu trick cafe Alotejo Corps nsɛm okeka kokoo ni hu nsɛm okeka ene sese ni ebe ba bebeyi nsɛm bebree se ma te sɛ ombe so yi Haruna Idusu ne osa minority leader no ne we na obi foforo ba ne ade
omo awo omo ebi before akoba nkuru
nti ade bia ohu de ombe so onkono omo ba so ate ase but one way or the other no say be affect the party in the mean sure because he might be part of the party executives but not at the top to say be I have a friends I say doing ketia money for swamp of money omo canons or more them your gurus but as compared to Akujetu Ablakwa he is more in the MP side nene parliament you know nti say we created dent in NDC there is not as much as you expect.
Okay.
So I just say.
Yeah, that's sorry so no na the final nsem.
Kakra me kan nyina ne say sa no ma we nyina ye konso Ghana about to be approve obi ni we for solution me dem metina ha me kan about the developmental side of Ghana not about the empenifo ne ye. So what I say ade bia na me affect how I be see abua Ghana na say the enzim mu Ghana for so bia mre yen china edi ntini ya approve Kenoforiata edi ntini omo approve Kenoforiata what went on na Kenoforiata moni so ntimi nya adwuma na adenti na mo approve no I memo obi resign they should come and tell us for Ghanaians to know what is going on at the bia no ma shen to mama ye hu so what I say nti omma ye hu ni hu ni ekoso ewo Ghana na 2024 de munga mu ye nyina ya adwen ye biem ni esua ade
am ga so me ga se bu ina mo de hu bejim
e de hu bejim
munga mu
de tia me ga se ye bie ya adwen se de hu jim ye vote ene de nsama ya so ye ka kire obi so aje ase
eti na se wo mo ntoto mo ne meye
ntoto mo no maye
busia ne ye se ye du besi ase ya abroje na wakasa afa ewura Okujetu Ablakwa ne nsem ho amene Jack yetena so no eti ana do comment aba me di adwoa e champo ma yakra mo